Good after morning, Crable Midnight School. Today is Thursday, December 22nd, and my name is Riley.
And I'm Noah. We are just one day away from Christmas break and 3 days away from Christmas. We hope everyone is experiencing calm excitement as we look forward to break.
Everyone has done a great job participating in our school spirit week. Today we're keeping it comfortable, as we're able to wear pajamas to school. Tomorrow you'll be able to dress your creativity to dress like Christmas.
Last week we asked you how many total gifts you would receive if someone gave you all the gifts mentioned in the 12 days of Christmas. We think that we had some students doing a lot of calculations because we had 2 classes get the exact answer.
The answer we were looking for was 364, which was given by Mr. Baumberger's 7th grade class and Mrs. Razor's 5th grade class. As a fun fact, if you were to receive all these gifts, you would receive the most swans of swimming and geese a laying, because you would receive 42 of each.
We don't suggest anyone go out and try to buy all of these gifts. It's believed that if you were to purchase all 364 gifts this year, it would cost over almost $200,000.
In general, the 12 days of Christmas start on Christmas Day and go until January 6th, which is often known as the Epiphany. Another name for January 6th is Three Kings Day, because some celebrate this as the day when the Magi arrived in Bethlehem.
Christmas is right around the corner, and we're all wondering if we'll get that white Christmas that we all like to sing about. To see if that will be the case, we'll hand it over to our weatherman, Abby Keller.
Good morning, Crable Mennonites. Outside right now it's really cold, and there's a mixture of snow and rain coming down, but right now it is specifically snow. Along with the fact that it's 32 degrees, I sure hope that you brought your coat to school today, because you are going to need it. This snow and rain mixture we are seeing right now will turn into a steady rain throughout the day. Any snow we accumulate this morning will most likely be washed away by rain we will have later in the day. Our high temperature today is 46 degrees with a low of 43 degrees. In the morning tomorrow we could see some snow change to rain, a lot like you're seeing today. Now let's look at the week. The first 2 days this week in the week forecast are Christmas Eve and Christmas. Sadly, it doesn't look like we're going to get a white Christmas this year. But Saturday and Sunday will still be very cold, with both night temperatures will be 13 degrees, and both day temperatures will not escape the mid-20s, along with wind speeds of 18 and 14 miles per hour respectively. I definitely think it will be a cold Christmas. The rest of this week will be warmer, with the warmest day this week being Friday, with a temperature of 49 degrees during the day. We will also be seeing a lot of clouds, but no total blanket cover. Now, have a good break, Crable. Rest up, and Merry Christmas from the meteorologist team. Back to you.
Thank you, Abby, for that update. The boys and girls basketball teams traveled to Mannheim Christian last Thursday. Both teams played hard, but weren't able to pull out wins.
The boys' score was 36-24, and the girls' game went into overtime, ending with the score of 22-18. Teams will have a break from games until January.
Yesterday was the shortest day of the year, in terms of the amount of sunlight that we received, which was 9 hours and 24 minutes. Winter also officially started at 4:48 p.m. yesterday evening, even though it felt like winter for a bit now.
Sunrise is currently at 6:52 a.m. and sunset is at 4:16 p.m. And hey, that reminds me, do you know when the ducks usually wake up?
No, when?
At the quack of dawn!
Okay, for our next trivia question for the week, actually this is on our last trivia question for this year, meaning the year 2022. We'll keep it on the Christmas theme. What we want to know is how many words can be made using only the letters in the word Christmas.
In order to make a word, you don't need to use every letter. However, you can't use any letter twice, except for S since there's 2 of them in the word Christmas. You can try to think of some words, but we will warn you that the answer includes a lot of words that you probably never heard of.
Well, that's all the time we have for this week. Be sure to give us your best guess on the trivia question, and we'll be back here in 2023 to bring you some more announcements. Until then, we hope you have a great day, a Merry Christmas, and a superb New Year. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.